Hi, I'm Stephanie Jaworski of JoyBaking.com. Today is a very special day because we just received the YouTube 1 million subscriber award in the mail. You know, there's two types of awards. There's the type I call like the industry awards. And for that, you have to submit your work, and there's a panel of judges that decide who's going to get the award. And then there's this type of award. It's my favorite. And the reason it's my favorite is it's not decided by just a few judges. It is decided by the people. To be more precise, 1 million people from around the world. And how you cast your vote is by subscribing. So I want to thank everyone so very much for subscribing to our YouTube channel. I mean, we wouldn't be getting this award without you. And, you know, I also want to thank YouTube for deciding that when you reach the goal of 1 million subscribers, that deserves an award. So thank you, YouTube. So now, let's open it. You know, when I love the packaging. When we got this in the mail yesterday, it's like, whoa, we know we got our award today. So, and I'm also really excited because Rick said that, you know, the company that makes these awards is also the ones that make the Daytime Emmys. So I can hardly wait to look at it. So I'll put my glasses on here. So nervous. Let's see if I can get this right. Okay. Let's see if I can get it open here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it's big, but not too big, but it's big. I like that. Oh, so let me put I will pick it up. Oh, there it is. Isn't that? I don't know whether I can take it right out. Maybe I should. And take the packaging off. Don't you? I love that it's gold. I mean, who doesn't like gold? And it's shiny. Isn't that gorgeous? Presented to Joy of Baking for passing 1 million subscribers, YouTube. You know, I think this is it's beautiful. You know, it's big, but not too big. And I love the simplicity of the design. I mean, just the play button. But they actually got kind of a mirror there, which is so nice. Oh, so I have got my place already picked out where I want it. And Rick is going to do the honors of putting it up on the wall. But, you know, again, thank you, everyone that has subscribed to our channel. Really, it's so great. And until next time, I'm Stephanie Jaworski of JoyBaking.com.